Hello, this is my technology lab first experiment. Here we need to create 1, 2, 3, 4 tables, and these tables should be looking like this. And at last, and these are the questions which are given for me to do for this lab. They asked me for the create the tables with the appropriate detail constants and describe the structure. So I have used the skill to do it. For this is how I created my first table. This is how so create a table. Customer ID number equal to number is an data type, and 5 is the maximum number of value, and login is an varchar. These are all attributes, and customer table is details is an table name, and create table is a keyword is used to create the table, and varchar is a data type of 20 length. Varchar is a data type, or it's like a string. So this is how I created my first, and date of birth is a date. So date is also another data type. It is used to keep the dates. And this is how I create my second table with car details. Here the same variables I have used. This data types I have used here. This is my third table. Price details, the same car ID number 5, car type varchar, basic price ID, and then create the booking. So booking number equal to 5, customer ID and car ID, and booking date equal to date. It's a date like date, month and year something. Yes. So this is how I created. Now I want to initialize with this is how what they asked, and they asked to constraints. So here I want to put the constraints. So I'm altering the table. Alter table is a keyword which is used to alter the table which you want to change the table use. So I want to alter. Modify is like if you want to modify, we need to keep the keyword modify. So I want to modify it. So I want to modify the customer ID column and number 5 as primary key. So that becomes the primary key. The same way for each table I'm giving, for car details I'm giving car ID as a primary key, and for booking table I'm giving booking number as a primary key. So this is how I have given the details for customer ID and car details. For booking I have given them the primary keys. Now they have asked me to declare customer ID and car ID as foreign keys. So I am declaring customer ID and car ID is alter table modify. Customer ID reference is used to which you want to refer to the another table's primary key. So I am referring to customer details to the primary key customer ID. So the foreign key will be customer ID, primary key will be this one. So booking and otherwise car ID, it is referring to the car details car ID. So this is how I kept as foreign keys. Now the second question is add constant so that email should be unique. Unique is an constant where all the entries should be unique. No one does not match it. All should be distinct. So these are all other things which I want to do it. So customer ID should not be null, so the value should not be null, and the car details login name should not be null, and same thing car ID not null. So I'm doing it. These are all the constants which I already given, and this is the question. So email will be unique. So unique is a constant. We will directly write the unique. See, alter table table name, modify email unique. Now another next question is add constraint that register date should not exceed the current date. So it says that the register date should not exceed the current date. So the current date is something 13 July 2016. So the register date should be always less than 30 July 2016. Or we can here we can also use sys date, CYS sys date. So it takes the date from the system and do it. Same alter table, customer ID, add constraint check. Check is also a constraint which it's like an if condition. We can say it only saves if the this given it checks this constant is used only updates, or it only allows the data if the condition is satisfied. So, and yes, to chair, next one, constant should not exceed the current. Then next, change the data type of the color card attribute to. So actually the color attribute is varchar, so I want to change it to char. So same thing, car id, modify color, char 20. So next one, they asked me to drop, ensure the name field should not be null. Name field should not be null. So if I go back here, I already declared customer id is varchar. Now alter table varchar is 20, and they want me to remove the email column in the customer table. So they asked me to drop the column. So alter table details, email, drop the column email. So here I drop the email. Next thing is rename the column date of birth as DOB as date of birth. So I'm using alter table customer ID. So rename you use it to rename it, and drop constraint is used to drop the particular attribute. So two must be used. This is the old name and this is to new name. It is also altered. Next thing, drop the unique constraint. So the same thing, we can drop the unique and drop constraint. Directly we can use that. So here is the question, alter the table. So I'm adding the constant, un is the constant name. So we can directly write drop the constant un from the particular table. If you want to alter also, you can write alter the constant un. So unique is a keyword, so all the names will be like unique. Unique is a keyword or a constant which says that all the names should be unique. So here I am dropping the constant of that. So alter table, this is the table which I want to use, and I am dropping the constant un. The constant un is refers to here, that is unique. So I am dropping the unique constant from here. Next thing, rename the table booking to car booking. The same thing. And this one, rename booking to car booking. So it is that keyword, like no need of alter. We are not altering table, we are just changing the name. So rename car booking to car booking. Directly we are using it. Then give, insert, delete, and update privileges to the next user on the booking table. So grant is a keyword which is used to grant some of the DML commands to the user. So I am giving insert, delete, update on the card details to the public. Now another question is like revoke the privileges. So revoke means taking back all the granted privileges. So I'm taking a revoke is a keyword here we use. So I'm revoking the insert, delete, and update on the car booking from public. So this is how I completed my details.